While. The word while is a versatile word in the English language that can function as a conjunction, noun, or verb. Its meaning and usage can vary depending on the context. As a conjunction, while is used to introduce a subordinate clause that expresses an action or event that happens at the same time as another action or event in the main clause. It indicates a temporal relationship between two actions. Here are a few examples. 1. I was cooking dinner while my sister was watching TV. In this sentence, the action of cooking dinner is happening at the same time as the action of watching TV. 2. While I was studying, my phone rang. This means that the phone rang during the time I was studying. 3. While she was reading a book, her baby was sleeping. The action of reading and the action of sleeping are happening simultaneously. Additionally, while can also be used as a noun, meaning a period or interval of time. For example, 1. I haven't seen her in a while. This means that it has been a considerable amount of time since I last saw her. 2. He likes to take a break once in a while. Here, once in a while means occasionally or infrequently. Finally, while can also function as a verb, meaning to spend time idly or in a leisurely manner. For instance, 1. I whiled away the afternoon by the pool. This suggests that the person spent the afternoon in a relaxed manner by the pool. 2. They whiled the time away playing board games. This means they passed the time by playing board games. In summary, while is a versatile word that can be used as a conjunction to express simultaneous actions, as a noun to refer to a period of time, or as a verb to describe spending time leisurely.